In the vast universe of snacks, one name stands above the rest: Pringles. Their unique saddle shape, irresistible crunch, and endless variety of flavors have made them a true global icon. But have you ever stopped to wonder, how are these perfectly identical chips actually made? Today, we're diving deep inside the Pringles factory to uncover the fascinating journey of each chip, from simple ingredients all the way to that iconic tube. The secret recipe of Pringles is closely guarded, but here's what we do know. At their core, Pringles are made from dehydrated potato flakes, blended with starches like corn, rice, and wheat, plus a touch of oil and water. This special formula creates a smooth, uniform dough that's very different from regular potato chips. Instead of slicing whole potatoes, Pringles begin as a dough designed for precision, consistency, and that unmistakable crunch. The ingredients are poured into giant industrial mixing vats. Massive rotating blades stir the blend, hydrating the potato flakes and binding everything together. The result? A perfectly smooth dough, thick, consistent, and ready to be shaped. This step is carefully monitored with strict quality controls to ensure every single batch meets the exact same standards. Once the dough is ready, it travels along conveyor belts into powerful rollers, which flatten it into thin golden sheets. Rotating cutters then stamp out perfectly round discs, the future Pringles. And here's the clever part. The leftover dough scraps aren't wasted. They're recycled back into the mixer, keeping the process efficient and sustainable. Now it's time for the magic that makes Pringles instantly recognizable: their famous curve. Each disc passes through precise molds that press them into their saddle-like shape. This curve isn't just for looks. It's what makes Pringles stackable, uniform, and extra crunchy. The molded chips are now ready for cooking. On their conveyor journey, they're lowered into a bath of hot oil, carefully controlled to the exact temperature. Within seconds, the discs turn golden, crisp, and light. As moisture escapes, tiny air bubbles form inside, creating that airy yet crunchy texture that Pringles are famous for. Fresh from frying, the chips are still plain. Now comes the fun part: flavor. The Pringles enter a giant rotating drum, where fine powders are evenly sprinkled over them. Whether it's the tang of sour cream and onion, the smokiness of barbecue, the spice of paprika, or the simple perfection of original, each chip is coated to deliver the exact same taste in every bite. Once seasoned, the chips are stacked neatly into their iconic cylindrical tubes. This packaging isn't just stylish, it's an innovation. The tube protects the chips from breaking, keeps them fresh, and allows hundreds of them to fit snugly in a single container. It's one of the secrets behind Pringles' worldwide success. From America to Asia, Europe to Africa, Pringles have conquered the globe. Different countries enjoy unique flavors, from seaweed in Japan to paprika in Europe, proving that Pringles adapt to every culture while keeping their signature crunch. Wherever you are, opening a tube of Pringles feels the same, a universal snacking experience. And there you have it, the incredible journey of a Pringle. From humble potato flakes to a precisely engineered, globally loved snack. Each tube represents decades of innovation, precision, and passion. So, the next time you pop open that iconic lid, remember, inside is not just a chip, but a story of science, engineering, and flavor perfection. Backhand index pointing right. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at Pringles, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next food journey. Backhand index pointing right. Now that you know how Pringles are made, which snack do you want us to explore next? Drop your ideas in the comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.